Looking to revamp your living space without spending a fortune? Refresh your old, worn-out furniture with Subrtex's printed sofa slipcover. To install, remove the instruction card and locate the tag labeled back. Begin by placing the slipcover over your furniture using the attached positioning label to properly locate and place the cover's front section, back section, and aligning the arm sections in the correct position. Lift the back of the seat cushion to place and tuck the excess seat fabric under the cushion. Tuck around all sides until the seat is smooth and seamless. The revolutionary spandex and elastic fabric of Subrtex's slipcover allows for optimum stretch. Refreshing your decor is as easy as changing your wardrobe while maintaining and protecting your valued investments for years to come.